Music producer Jahvy Ambassador Morrison has been charged in connection with the Sunday shooting. The incident happened at the Big Wall party in St. Andrew, where several people were injured. Hal Sheinberg reports.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them.
Less than a week after shooting at the Big Wall party in St. Andrew, charges have been laid against music producer Jaii Ambassador Morrison following questioning late Friday. He faces charges including assault, wounding with intent and using a prohibited weapon. The other accused in the incident, vlogger and content creator Jaii Richards, was charged earlier yesterday with unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon and ammunition, shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony. Morrison is represented by attorneys Peter Champagny KC, Richard Lynch, and Saeed Bernard. Mr. Lynch told the Gleaner that Morrison remains calm and in high spirits as the matter moves forward through the court system. He says his client anticipates that he'll be vindicated and is maintaining that his actions were in self-defense. Attorney Isaac Buchanan is representing Richards in the matter. The men were taken into custody following the shooting at the post-carnival event, which has sparked much public debate. It's alleged that they shot at each other during a heated dispute. 3 persons, including Richards, were shot in the incident. One of them was a visitor to the island. 2 firearms were seized by the police following the incident. And attorney Isaac Buchanan says his client is surprised at the charges which have been laid against him. Mr. Buchanan says Frais is maintaining his innocence. He was speaking yesterday on Radio Jamaica's Beyond the Headlines. Hal Sheinberg, TVJ News.
Media Fox panic up, yeah, man. So people, so I realize Frais get charged. We don't see any report for Jahvy yet. And I know a lot of people have surprises, but it don't even surprise me because when me hear the situation, the bag of speculation, they must say, yo, 15 man attack, man grab gun, this man, one bag of thing, one bag of story, every little thing. Yo, internet world is very crazy, people. May I tell you that? It's very crazy, may I tell you. Yo, the bag of speculation, the bag of thing, everything. You see me? And everybody get the shocking news today. Like, people did maybe I wonder, maybe them that expect say, yo, Jahvy forget the charge. Cause they must say, yo, Frais I defend himself and every little thing. But what them not realize say, yo, based on the statement, that statement there, it was just about, Frais make him statement. You understand? And it's a bag of thing, and sometimes when you hear the story, but I think Frais lawyer forward out, so I really want to know hear what I say.
Application for a 286, that's a habeas corpus, was filed and granted by the judge for charge and release by 6 p.m. He was also taken to the hospital for his medical treatment for his wound, as well as he, following a question and answer, he was charged with shooting with intent, wounding with intent, and possession of a prohibited weapon.
What are the next steps hereafter?
The next step, we now await the day in court. The bail access, they have 48 hours in which to bring the man to court after charge. So we await within reasonable time, given the complexity of the situation, to have the day in court. So we're looking to go to court about Wednesday.
What is he saying? What's his own reaction?
In terms of, he's taken aback by the situation. As you know, he was shot, he was assaulted, and the law, as it is, coming from the Privy Council, since a man has a right to defend himself. So we will look forward to our day in court where the competent jurisdiction will make an assessment of the issues before it.
Is there anything else you'd like to add at this time that I did not ask that I think is important to share?
No, I just think that, I'll always say that, we live in a high crime society, and wherever one of the remnants of a high crime society is that persons are going to always have to be forced to defend themselves, and as they do so, the habit of criminalizing ordinary citizens where the police fail to protect them is an issue that we're going to have to deal with.
So people, one thing we know with Jamaican system, 2 things. It's unfair based on how them set the law, and it's corrupt, like a big corruption. May I tell the people? pay corruption. It's like you can't just know where a case go or what go happen. Something just happen. A man just get the amount of years there and him maybe do the worst, and then a man get the amount of that years there and him get the more years. It just Jamaican system, as them say, Jamaica is not a real place. I see him so the system. You understand? But when me hear the look situation with Frais and Jahvy and everything, what me did disappointed about is with Jahvy, because me I say yo, how him get himself in the situation. Because people, to be honest, me I track the timeline from me see the back and forth with Frais and Jahvy thing, and it's like me just know say something I go end up out tight. Me see the energy on the podcast and everything. You see me? Me just know say something I will go down one day, but me just never know which day. You see me? And me did just say, I say, Jahvy shouldn't end up in this situation and knowing say, Jano, him have an artist I deal with, him have some branding deal, I think around bar, and him have some other sponsorship, like brand deals when sign contract. I say, man, I go mash up him thing with this, because at the end of the day, Frais does the podcast attack, and you see me, I just that. But me never dwell in the situation, because it was a bag of speculation. They must say a woman backs Frais, they must say a man backs him, they must say a bag of thing, but we can't really get the right evidence because it wasn't there. And most of the people we attack, they might go pick a side and talk for that side there. So we truly can't know what's going on. But the information and the report where Frais would have say or put out there or whatsoever based on film thing, we have say 15 man and him take one. When 15 man are quarrel, brother, I don't know how you get out of that unless you run or something, brother, or try to do something. So me I listen to the situation and me I say him take machine and give back some care go give police, and I say Jano, like this now somebody else watch and see, because when I like the internet I want crazy world where story up things in the people. It's story up things, me I tell you, So I say alright, me just wait, because today a lot of people that think say a Jahvy would have get the charge first. But when them say Frais get it and 6 o'clock pass and Jahvy not get it, people say I wonder what go on. You understand? Because one of the time you hear say a Frais first, Ray shoot or whatsoever, me I say Jano, if Jahvy do it after, you see me, while him have a license thing, and well, that could have put out a defense, and it was a lot of things, people, and you don't know people that they will get, get wounded and all of them look at things there. So it's a lot of things, and if you know where Big Wall, because Big Wall no keep where regular keep, you keep on West Kings House Road, but that one I keep our thing at Randy Williams them say. So it's a different place. Where it keep beside the government house, Yeah. Beside the government, not in personal house, but in a garden house or something like so. Beside it. Like the place is well secure. You understand? So in a this in the uptown space, a bag of shot and every little thing, brother. I say, Jano, and enough people over there after carnival listening. I say, Jano, this of them thing you go on. But I have a clip for you see what I go on. This is a clip. You see me what I see on the media, so I'm going to make you see what I go on. You see it? So if you see the youth in the hot there, so you see me like him a pine, like him a say, you not hear the shot them. You understand? And hear what I go on. You see it? The one in the white shirt, I think him name Cash. You see me, that one artist youth. So see brother say, what that. Them time they look like, you see me, everything start go off there, so. You see it, say people them a look what I go on, shuffling start, you see it. And right now, the Big Wall, Jano, I don't even know what I go for them in that, you see me?
Everyone not to rush to the exits. Do not rush to the exits.
So everybody, people are around here, can't tell people when trouble take a baby, everybody are cut out, So this look like after when the thing them fire and everybody are split up and thing, you see me? see Jahvy a carry, see Jahvy in a white shirt and the red shorts. And him a carrying bridging. I wonder if maybe I even get the shot. John, no, dog. You see me? Look like Jahvy move and split gone somewhere else. Look like they might try to rush him in our car.
Yo, squad. So watch now, just have to lift big wall. You understand? Because I got madness. You see me there at the party, shot fire. Man get shot in the chest.
Shot fire, bullet shots, multiple shots.
Multiple shot fire. You see me?
Like that chick black, like a while ago.
And one get shot in them chest, the next man get shot in them hand.
One get shot in them hip.
One get shot in them hip. Here's something, bro.
So hand, I think the one at the hand, I must be the US brother that. You see it, and then in him chest, one in him chest, and one in him hip. I know. Oh, geez, somebody that sound like get shot. I know, bro. Rough out there. Rough out there. But when you see what I talk about people like, yo, sometimes if we just wait and watch and see what going on, yeah, man. We must say bird can't fly with one wing, you know. Plane can't fly with one wing, bro. I see the situation now, people and I say, yo, man, nah to say nothing about it. Man, nah to say nothing about it. You see me? Man, nah to say nothing about it. At first, me that say, yo, Jano, look what Jahvy go put himself in. You see me? At that, me I say, no. You see it? Because at the end of the day, the man them do them thing him have him artist, and I think him have him artist have some show forward up soon. You see me? And I say, yo, Jano, this man put himself in because based on the statement, they must say, at them step to Jeffrey and bag of thing, and I say, yo, Jano, man, them should just allow that and just allow certain things. You see me? But when I start hear some different thing now, I say, yo, man take this off a man and man do this and Ray and carrot go give back. I say, bro, if I think about them things that I say, yo, this is too much in me. I allow it and watch and see what I go on. You see me? So I say, alright, like how them say today now, who are going to get charged and who are going to free. Them say for the two man, them say, yo, 6 p.m. today, them are going to know if them charge or them free. Me never really see anything about Jahvy yet. You understand, after the 6 p.m. But my sister them charge Jeffrey as me just play him lawyer just talk a while ago. You understand? So we have to see what go on, people, cause you know right now, I know. I don't know, he rough.
Bro, as you can see that the clip, you understand? We're there, me have video. You understand when Cash hear the shot, you can see Cash react like Cash say, yo, I want that, you see me? And then Cash stand up on the stage and I look over so and say, yo, I'm on the ground. You understand? But we don't know who, we don't know why, we don't know what going on. You understand? All we know is a man get shot, bro. A couple man get shot. I think about 3 person get shot. You get me? I say so. We are enjoying ourselves all day, you know what I mean? And all of a sudden, you see me?
Man, I'm telling you something, bro. Oh, when you can't go big wall and a fire shot, bro, like, what the fuck, bro, like, oh, God, bro.
Brother, Jamaica there, brother. You no matter how well shot I go fire, bro. You understand? You no matter if a big wall or no, brother. No, we're not safe in Jamaica right now. You stay there. Adapt me and tell you. You see it? So, but I play things a joke thing, dog. The man are vile. You see it? No matter how which part, bro. If man them clap it, them are gonna clap it, brother. You see me? Anyway, them are clap it, them are clap it. Them no business. You see it?
Big wall is a chill event, bro. You go there with a vibe.
Remember, man, do them thing in a church, you know, dog. You see me? So, where's big wall? You see it?
A drink. You left the fete, you come here with a vibe. Bro, what the fuck, bro? That's so ghetto, dog. Like, come on, man. A little decent and a little dog. Dog, gonna fuck up, bro. Whoever dog, gonna fuck up.
Keep it physical, man.
Right?
Bro, event like big wall I keep every single year. You see me?
Take money, cat.
Yes, people. I tell you, rough. You see it? Him say a Jeffrey get charged. I go see what go on still. I guess them have some reason for charge him or whatever, you know. Them have upon him. Or the investigation where them have, or where them hear, where them go through and do what them have to do. You know, but after 6 p.m. we never say about the Jahvy thing. So if we just go on easy and see what go on, you see me, but you see sometime because you know people are say, yo, Jeffrey at John Wick, yo, this or this, rare, this, but especially we don't really know what happened. It's not like we have a live camera watch everything we go on. You understand? Remember say when trouble take you, you know, it seems like you can just say something to try get yourself out of a situation. But no say brother, you better you never say nothing, you know. You should have just wait for a lawyer or something. You see me, so you don't know. I think when Jeffrey them that whole and the man, you know, you must say them do one, you know, take away him life and all of them good thing they see it. So one of them thing that well, we see what go on, you know. When all of this done on the case and every little thing, you have to see what go on, but you see this bag of talking and people are out on media and make some talk and every little thing, and sometimes we think, sometimes we just see something and you know we are run away, but sometimes we have to think carefully. You see me, and understand the situation and know say, yo, this not sound right. You know, this not sound right, because at the end of the day, we just work with a one statement. You see me, and you know, people are say, yo, free and this and that and Ray and man, I call a man John Wick. You see me? John Wick. Man kick off this and all of them. Remember, you know? A man just say yo rating, you know, it not even man them create a movie. Imagine the man where them say yo Ray, end up get the charge. And the man where them say yo start it. Not get no charge yet. You see me? So me say yo, John. Sometimes we can't just see certain things and just judge and just say, I eat that, you know. Sometimes we have to just wait and see what go on. That's why I say, I just wait for see what really are going on. I don't know when them are going, because them never say them are going to charge Jahvy or free him. So we just wait for a final thing to see what them are going to do with Jahvy, because the time passed, them say 6 p.m. Because I think them, when was it? I think about Monday. Yeah, about Monday, them going to custody or something like so. You see me? 2 of them, so you have to see what go on, people. You see it? It's rough. That's why I tell them, I not too like go certain place, you know. A long time big wall I keep, you know, I never yet go. You see me? Yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, and I like say I'm afraid or nothing, but it's just me grow up when I really do the crowd, the stage show thing. Yeah, I saw me stay from it, I don't know, I just, yeah, you know, like, I just, worse when the place clog up and you can't even move and you have to bounce people and I don't rate them things there, brother, because a lot of things can happen in that. You can step on a man's shoes or man just buy him shoes and you know, and like say you do it purposely and man I say, yo, a style me. Where and it's like you maybe man I say, yo, what you do? You know, see my shoes and where and maybe get violent and then war start and then maybe female entourage man. So I'm not too like do the crowd thing. You see me? Just go on easy more while. You see it, but this teacher listens still if you know say, yo, bro, I'm telling you this. Sometimes you see social media world is different from reality. Yo, social media world, internet thing will lead you down one part, you know. I tell you that, you know. Yeah, man. They say, man, them build how much animation with Frais. Go bathroom and a fight off much man. And gun and one bag of thing. You understand? Much animated video. And when you check the story right now, it's not the full 100% in a way the video I say. Can't remember, you know, we don't actually hear from the other man them. When I hear no statement. The statement that we are here, I would have to be Frais. I must say, yo, Ray, get this from one man and go get this a man, yeah. And then 50 man do this and then go bathroom and you understand? Well, things just not add up right now because I him get charged. You see me? Although You see a next man pop off and shoot and maybe shoot him. Them I say allegedly shoot him. You see me? And time pass and him not get charged. You see me? So it thing get spooky, you know. You see it? Me I tell you. So right now Jahvy did it. I think him have court. So I not what him saying. Next week Wednesday or something like say liar say Isaac Buchanan. You see me? So I have to watch and see people. You see me? Yeah man, I have to watch and see what I go on. You see it? But I just one of them thing there. You see me? One of them thing there. Big wall, Jano. All who never know big wall now. But where it keeps still on a big wall, a big fence, cause where it actually usually keep actually wall. West King's House Road, cross some truck stop, that's where it usually keep, but I don't know. I feel like the reason why they move it is because the route where the carnival usually go, it usually pass by West King's House Road, all of the truck them. You see me? But it no go that route there because them build up a Fontana pharmacy and thing, and you know if them do that, it'll block off the road, so it'll cut down on them business. So them start turn, them not go upon this or go that side there again. So I feel them just move big wall, come like forward on a route where the truck them would have go, so that easy for people just go there, so then for go walk far, go the original place, and the truck now go there. You understand? It's far from where the truck them would have do them route and everything. So and I think this year are the first year, you know. No so. And the first year they might keep it there, so I think so, you know. I'm not sure what, I don't know if them did it last year or what, but yeah. And see there, get knocked. Everything mash up right now, Jaja. But people, big up on yourself, you know. You see me, tune in tomorrow, you don't know one Media Fox. You see me, just stay safe out there, you know, people, cause the road is rough. You see me, big up on yourself, stay safe out there, and one Media Fox. That is it.